Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, my today's video is again very creative and very beautiful, but in this video I am sharing a very unique stuff that is hand embroidered clutches, pouch, purse. You can embroider exactly these pattern, and these are very beautiful 3D embroidery pattern design ideas of very beautiful and a floral combination. So you can use these for formal events, for parties, for weddings, for casual gatherings as well. So all of these are very beautiful, and now I'm showing you the embroidery patterns exactly made on these very beautiful purse. And in the later part of our video I am showing you hundreds of designs of flowers that you can also use for making bags, purse and clutches, but at the same time you can also use to make other fashionable accessory stuff, like you can embroider these patterns onto your face mask, onto your jewelry like pendants, rings, bracelets, and even you can design these onto your mobile covers, mobile cases, onto your glasses covers, spectacle cases, and many more creative DIY stuff. So I hope that you like my today's video. If you really like my design ideas, then kindly do try to put them into some very beautiful and creative stuff, and do share your experiences with us. Don't forget to comment below to let us know what you feel about our content, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you really like my collection, then please don't forget to like and massively share my videos with your friends and family, so that not only you but your friends and family could also get my stylish, trendy and creative ideas.